Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be putting up my Christmas tree. This is a new tree that I purchased from Michael's. So I'm going to place my Christmas tree right in front of this window. And this Christmas tree is the same height that I had last Christmas. It is 7.5 foot tall. So it's pretty tall, but it's perfect for my space. I can't go any taller than that. So I really like the height of it. And I got the tree for a good price. Now last year I did have a flock tree, and this year I didn't want to go with a flock tree. I wanted something different. So I decided to go with this one. So now I'm just taking out all of the pieces, and this did come packaged really well. It's very heavy. That is the top piece, and it did come with some extra light bulbs because this is a pre-lit tree. So yeah, I'm excited to put this tree together. So now I have all three of the pieces laid out, and this is the stand that it came with. It is metal, and so what I like about this is you will see that I did not have to screw anything in, so it didn't come with any screws. You just pretty much just put the bottom piece in the base, and that is it. So I'm just placing this stand in the center because once I put the tree up, I don't want to move it. So I just want to make sure that I have it right in the middle of the window. And also I am going to keep the box. So I never throw my boxes away. When I buy my Christmas trees, I always save them. So that way when I take the tree down, I can put everything back in the box. Now I'm going to fluff out the branches, and this does take a little time for me because each time that I put in one part of the Christmas tree, I go through each stem, each layer, and make sure that I fluff it out to my liking. So that's what I'm doing now, and I will give y'all a close-up on how to fluff out your Christmas tree. So you will see that later on in the video. So I'm just going to go through this really quick, and then once I get to the second part of the tree, then you'll get a more close-up and you'll be able to see how I actually do it. Now my thing is I want the tree to look just like it does on the box. So for me to get that look, what I do is I push the branches down towards the floor. That's what I do, and you will see how I did it at the bottom. But yeah, that's what I did. I just pushed the branches down towards the floor so it would look more like the picture on the box. Now I like this about the tree. It only has one cord, y'all. And this is where you will put the second layer. You see it has like a little outlet, a little socket thing. So that's where the second part of the Christmas tree would go. And this is the second part. So when you stick it at the top, it connects. So that way you won't have all those wires and things like that. So that's what I like about this Christmas tree. That's another thing that I like about it. All right, so now this is more of a close-up so you can see how I'm doing each of the stems. And I'm doing them kind of like a star, if that makes any sense. So that's how I'm doing each one of them. Just kind of like that starry look. And that's how it was on the box. That's how I wanted it to look. So I'm just doing that each one and just going around. Now, by you fluffing out your tree this way, it does make it look much fuller. And yeah, it just makes it look so much fuller. No matter what kind of Christmas tree you have, if you do it in this kind of pattern, I guarantee you that it will definitely make a difference and it will definitely look full. Now you can see real good right here that I'm pulling each of the stems downward. See how I'm pushing them downward? Each stem. So I think it's like five layers on this second part. So I'm just pulling it downwards. And that's it. That's all I'm doing. And it's coming along great. It already looks pretty and it's not even finished, but you can get the idea of how it's going to turn out. So I can't wait until I finish. So we're getting there, y'all. We are getting there. And I cannot wait for y'all to see how the tree looks once it's lit up. Once it's lit up, y'all are going to love it. Now, it does kind of, just a little bit, it does kind of look like the tree that I had last year. Because when I lit it up, I said, it kind of looks like it. But like I said, the one that I had last Christmas was a flock tree. So, yeah, but this one, I love it. I think this is my favorite Christmas tree that I've ever had. I really do. I said that about the last one that I had, but no, I think this one is it. This is the one, y'all. I cannot wait to start decorating this tree. I cannot wait. And I will definitely share the decorations with y'all. Probably sometime this week I will share the decorations that I'm going to put on the Christmas tree. So y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure that you have your notification bell on because I have a few Christmas videos that I'm going to do. And y'all know y'all don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it.